What's going on, guys? Clayton coming at you again from Two-Way Direct. In one of our last videos, we talked about disinfecting our radios. This one I actually want to focus a little bit more on the accessories, namely the earpieces. Now, one of the main things you can do is actually to make sure that everybody on your job site has one. That way it limits the amount of times and people that the earpiece switches between. Now, I get that some people can't do that, and that's okay, I totally understand. So the next option is actually going to be a Clorox wipe. Same thing we used for the radio, and again, you're going to want to squeeze it out to make sure there's not a lot of liquid in it. So after squeezing out your Clorox wipe, what you're going to want to do is hit the outside, give a little love to the inside, go down the wire. Going to want to hit the push to talk button right here, go down the rest, and there you are. A clean and sanitized earpiece ready for your next employee. Give us a call at 888-742-5893 to find out about the specials we have going on for our earpieces right now. Talk to you soon, guys.